Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button.
So today's question is around the grade 7, it's probability. I want you to read through really carefully and at all times remember to be thinking about what am I looking at, what are my keywords, what do I know about this? Give it a really good go and then press play when you are ready to see the solution. Okay, so this is about finding the probability that the three counters that have been taken total to an odd number. So before I get really into this, I want to consider that situation. Which of the outcomes is going to do that? So I'm going to start by investigating that. I remember I've got a calculator to help, and 3 odds would give me an odd. 2 evens and an odd would give me an odd, and all other combinations would be even. I then have to consider the fact that my EEO could be in any order. So another alternative order could be E plus O plus E, or O at the start, followed by E plus E. Once I've considered all the possible outcomes that will satisfy the question, I can then start pulling together either a full and complete tree diagram, and if that's kind of comfortable and the way that you would prefer to do it, then that's what you do. If you are able to cut the workload down a little bit by just producing the branches that you need, it's just going to save a little bit of time. And that's what I'm going to do. So I know that I've got an O, O, O pathway across my tree diagram. The probability of getting an odd on the first draw would be 6 out of 9. On the second draw, 5 out of 8. And on the third draw, 4 out of 7. Every time I take one, it's reduced the number that are in there and it's reduced the total, hasn't it? My next one is going to be EEO. And my fractions here, I've got a 3 out of 9 for the first take. Even again will take me to 2 out of 8. Haven't taken any odd yet, so 6 out of 7 on the end there. And then we've got even, odd, even. Again, my even is 3/9. And then I'm going to odd, so 6 out of 8. And odd, even, 2 out of 7. Last but not least, I've got my odd E. And that is going to give me 6 out of 9, 3 out of 8, and 2 out of 7. So rather than drawing the entire tree diagram, I've considered my pathways and I've just worked on those particular pathways. Now I need to multiply all of those options so that I can get the totals. We should show the examiner everything we're doing. Don't take shortcuts. Shortcuts lead to lost marks. It's just not worth it, okay? So that is 120 out of 504. Once you've got all 4 outcomes, we just simply add to finish it off. And that adds to 228.